Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a successful Facebook business page. Now, first things first, let's head on to the computer browser and head on to the Facebook website. That is www.facebook.com. Now, keep in mind, all you have to do is to create a Facebook and you are now good to go. So you must have a Facebook account. Now, once you have done that, I'm going to go to the Meta Business Suite. So I'm just going to select Meta Business Suite right here. It will lead you to this Meta Business Suite website. So I'm going to go to Home right here. And as you can see, this is the home page. So my business is this one right here. So once you have done that, all you have to do is to create a business account. So I'm gonna click on the drop down right here under the business Meta Suite logo, and I'm gonna select create business account. Now once you have done that, just name your business account. So I'm just gonna select Mick Business right there, and now is to enter your first name and your last name right here. And now enter your business email address. So I'm just gonna enter an email address real quick. Once you have done that, just create. Just hit on create right here. So as you can see, my payment has been disabled, so I can't fully go into the business Meta Suite. So let me just open another browser right here and go to Meta Business Suite right here. So this is my other account. So as you can see right here, first I'm gonna go to the drop down again. I'm gonna select create business account and just name your business account and enter your first name and your last name and enter your business email. So once you have done that, just click on create right here and it will automatically create your business account. So as you can see, it says, what do you want to claim into the business account? So claim your Facebook pages and Instagram accounts as assets so you can manage in this business account. So if a page is already connected to an Instagram account, they'll be claimed into the business account together. So all you have to do this point is to claim the page that you want to set in your business account. So as you can see right here, nothing is available to be claimed, so I don't have access to any unclaimed Facebook pages or Instagram accounts. So I'm just gonna skip right here. And next is to add another person by email. So right here, all you have to do is to enter the email address of the person that you want to add or the person you want to start working with. So for now, I'm just gonna select this person right here, and as you can see, you can select if they can be your employee or they can be your business admin. So an employee can only manage the business assets they are assigned, whilst the business admin have full control of the business account. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to select business admin right here. I'm just going to hit on next right here. So as you can see right there, I have already added this person right here. And next, I'm just going to select confirm right about there. Now, once you have done that, let's say you have a business right here, you can now actually start creating a post, an ad, and much more. So what you want to do is, for example, you have a business page already claimed using your business account right here. So I'm just going to refresh that real quick right there. So I'm just going to head on to settings. As you can see right here, this is myself right here. I have full control of everything, and this is the other person that I just recently added, and he or she has full control of everything. Now what I want to do is go to pages, and of course under pages right here, you can now actually create a page right here. And first I'm gonna select add pages right here, and next is to create a new Facebook page. So for example, you don't have a Facebook business page, all you have to do is to create a new Facebook business page. But if you already have an existing page that you want to claim, just click on right here And for now, I'm just going to show you how to make a page from scratch. So I'm just going to select create new Facebook business page right here. Just enter the page name that you want to use. I'm just going to select Mick Business, and the category is affiliate marketing, or let's just say real estate. And now let's say marketing right about there, and let's say business, like home, or let's just say business consultant. And next is the bio. So this is optional right here. Write about what your business does, the services you provide, or the purpose of the page. I'm just gonna select we provide business ideas and strategies. So this is just for example right here. And next, once you have done that, just hit on next right here, and make sure to it says, are you sure you want to continue? And this says the page will be created and added Mick business account to my business account. As you can see, this is the summary of the changes. So the page access is once you created business, admins will have full control of the business account right about there. So once you have done that, just click on this box right here that says you agreed to the meta terms of services, and just select create page right here. And next, once you have done it, it will automatically lead you to this page right here that says done. So this may take a lot of time, and that, as you can see right here, the Mick business page has been created and added to the Mick business account. So I'm just going to select done right here, and what I want to do now is to select this one right here. So this is the page that we have just recently created. So I'm just going to go to these three dotted lines right here. I'm just going to select view on Facebook. So right here, as you can see, this is the business that we have just recently created. And next is go to the Meta Business Suite right here. So you can now have full control of your business. So you can, under the Meta Business Suite, you can just create a post right here. You can add some pictures and some posts right here. Right about there, you can add a photo, you can add a video. You can use you can use some templates. So once you have clicked on the use template, you can now have a lot of templates you can now actually use under Vimeo. And once you have done that, you can actually boost a post. So for example, I have a post written right here, and I'm just going to select create an ad right here. And as you can see right here, you have a lot of ad options that you can use about there. So you can just get started with automated ads, you can get more messages, and you can promote your page. So I highly recommend, if you are starting a business, just click on promote your page right here, so that Facebook will actually promote your page. So once you have done that, as you can see, this is how your ad will be viewed by a certain type of people. So as you can see right here, a special category if your ad is about credit, employment, housing, or social issues. You can just toggle this on right here and select a category. So I'm just gonna select I'm just gonna toggle this one off. And next is the audience. So you can edit the audience right here. So as you can see, the audience details is default right here, because I currently live in the Philippines and the age is around 18 to 65 plus. So if you want to edit that, just click on this pen icon right here, and you can actually edit this one right here. And to type, to add more locations, so for example, I'm just gonna scroll on that real quick right about there. Now you can drop a pin where you want to, or where you want your ad to go right about there. So I'm just gonna save audience right here, so you can actually do that for a lot of the regions that you want to do. And next is the ad duration. So as you can see right here, the start date is today, May 27, and the time is 2:32. So you can actually do that, and you can select how many days you want this ad to run. So you're just gonna select 10 days right here, and that's about it. So if you want to run your ad continuously, just click on this run ad continuously right here, but make sure you have enough balance or budget in your bank account, so that you will have no problems in the future regarding on this ad. So for safety purposes, I highly recommend you to choose the ad that will end manually. So next is the daily budget. You can actually reset the amount spent. Next, once you have done that, you can actually reset the daily budget right here. So I'm just going to select a 200 daily budget right here. So as you can see, for 200, so my ad costs 200 pesos for a day. So that will be 10 days. So times 10, it will go to, I will pay for 2,000 pesos a month for 10 days. So next is to add your funds right here. So once you click on add funds right about there, you have the option to use a debit or credit card, a Paymaya wallet, or GCash. Now, a Paymaya wallet and the GCash is only available in the Philippines, I believe, because these are e-wallets or mobile wallets. So for now, if you are currently living internationally, you can just go to add debit card right here. So I'm just going to click on next. And now enter your card details and click on save. And once you have done that, just click on promote now right here, and now you're good to go. So basically that's it for this video. I hope you get the gist of it, and make sure to create a business account first so that you don't have any problems managing some business in the future. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!